Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest trends in home design and outdoor living. Today, we're diving into the top trending fence ideas of 2024. From stylish to practical, these fences are redefining the boundaries of modern homes. 1. Modern minimalist fences. In 2024, simplicity and elegance are taking center stage. Modern minimalist fences, crafted with sleek metal frames and wooden slats, are in high demand. These fences provide privacy without feeling bulky, and their clean lines add a touch of sophistication to any outdoor space. 2. Natural materials and sustainability. With the eco-friendly movement stronger than ever, sustainable fence materials are booming. Bamboo, reclaimed wood, and stone fences are popular choices in 2024. These materials not only blend with nature but also contribute to reducing your environmental footprint. 3. Privacy meets aesthetics, slatted and vertical gardens. People are seeking privacy, but not at the cost of aesthetics. Slatted fences and vertical garden fences offer a perfect solution. They allow air to flow while maintaining a secluded feel. Plus, the greenery adds a lush, natural look that enhances outdoor spaces. 4. Bold color trends and mixed materials. Bold colors are making waves in fence design this year. Deep blues, matte black, and earthy tones are among the top choices for 2024. Mixed materials, like combining wood with metal or adding stone accents, bring texture and personality to fences. 5. Decorative metalwork and laser-cut fences. For a touch of art, decorative metalwork and laser-cut designs are trending in 2024. These fences serve as both a functional barrier and a statement piece, turning your yard into a gallery of intricate patterns and designs. 6. Sleek minimalist fences. Kicking off our list are the sleek and minimalist fences that are dominating 2024. These fences combine sharp lines and subtle materials like metal and wood to create a clean, modern look, perfect for contemporary homes. 7. Vertical gardens and green fences. Next up, vertical gardens and green fences are all about blending nature with privacy. By incorporating plants into the design, these fences not only protect your yard but also create a lush, living wall. 8. Sustainable materials, bamboo, reclaimed wood, and more. Eco-conscious homeowners will love this next trend, sustainable fencing materials. Bamboo fences, reclaimed wood panels, and other natural elements are making a big impact this year. These eco-friendly options are not just good for the planet, they also add a warm, earthy feel to your yard. 9. Mixed materials, wood and metal combos. Mixing materials is one of the hottest trends of 2024. Whether it's wood and metal, stone and steel, or concrete and glass, the combinations are endless. These fences create depth and texture, adding unique style to any outdoor space. 10. Decorative metal fences, wrought iron and laser-cut designs. Decorative metalwork is bringing an artistic flair to fences this year. Wrought iron designs and intricate laser-cut panels offer both beauty and security, turning your fence into a work of art. 11. Bold color trends. If you're feeling adventurous, bold colors are definitely trending in 2024. Think deep blues, matte blacks, earthy greens, and even bright shades like coral or terracotta. These eye-catching fences are perfect for adding personality to your outdoor space. 12. Privacy fences with style, louvered and slatted designs. Privacy doesn't have to come at the expense of style. Louvered and slatted fences offer seclusion while still allowing air and light to pass through, creating a dynamic, modern look. 13. Stone and concrete fences for a modern look. Stone and concrete fences are gaining popularity for their durability and sleek, modern look. These fences offer strength and style, blending natural and industrial aesthetics. 14. Smart fences with technology integration. Fences are getting smarter in 2024. From automated gates to solar-powered lights and integrated security systems, smart fences offer convenience and peace of mind. 15. Naturalistic rustic fences. For those who love a more traditional look, rustic fences are making a comeback. Think natural wood, rough-hewn logs, and stone accents. These fences create a cozy, nature-inspired vibe. And there you have it, the top 50 fence ideas for 2024. Whether you're into modern minimalism, eco-friendly designs, or bold statement fences, this year has something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which fence trend is your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor design inspiration.